This is your exposure metrics dashboard, your complete security posture in one view. Here's how to read it. Start with maturity, a 1 to 5 report card, benchmarked against your industry and the target you set. Next is exposure, your risk in dollars. It's calculated from likelihood and cost of breach, presented as ranges to reflect that risk is an estimate, not a guarantee. Below, we break this down by business asset like reputation or data so you can pinpoint exactly where your risk is concentrated. With your priorities identified, you can now focus on tracking your progress. Trend charts show whether you're improving over time, and the mitigation optimization funnel filters the noise. It highlights the critical few findings to fix first. Finally, the dashboard is interactive. Rearrange the widgets to match the way you work, and click into any widget's components to jump straight to the full detail. That's everything you need to get started. Dive in whenever you're ready.